Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today I'm going to show you how to make a grilled corn salad. It's a go-to salad in the summertime for our family, and I hope you'll enjoy it too. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 to 4 corns of husk. Here I have put some olive oil, salt and pepper and grilled it. A tablespoon of chopped coriander or cilantro. 2 cucumbers. A tablespoon of minced jalapeño, 1 tomato, a quarter of a red onion, 1 garlic clove, half a red pepper, 1 avocado, and some toasted sesame seeds. For the dressing, we'll need a quarter cup of chopped cilantro, about 15 to 20 leaves of mint, a clove of garlic, zest from 1 lime and the juice of 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a quarter cup of olive oil. So let's get started. Let's start by taking the kernels off the corn and placing them in a large mixing bowl. Dice the peppers and add to the bowl. Dice the cucumbers and add into the bowl. If using cherry tomatoes, cut them in quarters. Here I am using wine tomatoes, and for these tomatoes, I remove the seeds and then dice them and place them in a bowl. Finally, chop the cilantro and add it to the bowl as well. Dice the red onions and add it to the bowl. Depending on how much heat you like, you can use more or less of the jalapeno pepper. Remove the seeds and dice it finely and add that to the bowl as well. Next, dice the avocado and add it to the bowl. Chop the garlic finely and also add it to the bowl. To make the dressing, measure 1/4 cup of olive oil and add it to the blender. Add cilantro and mint leaves. Add the apple cider vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, salt and pepper to taste. Using a zester, zest 1 lime and add it to the blender. Now add the juice of the lime into the blender. Blend until all the ingredients are blended finely. Pour the dressing over the salad, mix and transfer to a serving bowl. For topping, I usually use roasted pumpkin seeds, but today I am switching it up and using some roasted sesame seeds. And here we have our grilled corn salad. If you like this recipe, be sure to click the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.